I'm gonna teach you
about some linear equations. Follow me and I'm gonna show you what the way is. Axis up and down and left to right, that's how you make them. Y-intercept and gradient are steps to line creation. Here is a line, I'll show you what it means. The formula is y equals mx plus b. You're gonna learn faster if it's coming from me. Firstly, I'm gonna be taking a look at what mx means. Mx can be referred to as the rise of a run. In other words, a slope, and then you're halfway done. Now, let's look at B, the y-intercept. When the line crosses y-axis, this is what you get. Now, it's time to show you how to graph the line. Better be looking carefully, I'm doing this one time. The x-axis is going right to left. Crooked lines will leave a graph looking like one big wreck. And then, we're gonna draw the axis of y. If you wanna begin to do this, go from low to high. So please start marking up the graph like it's a number line. Make sure that negatives and positives have different sides. Now that I'm mostly done with the simple basics, you're gonna learn to make a line that's based off an equation. Okay, the y-intercept in this case is the number 6, so please proceed to marking down this one coordinate. Now, draw the infamous rise of a run. Looking at this very example, slope is 2/1. Up by 2, 1 across. Up by 2, 1 across. I said up by 2, 1 across. And these skills will help you be a mathematical boss. And now I'm gonna teach you a few tricks and steps that will really be beneficial towards your line success. If the slope is negative, the line goes left to right. Going in a downwards motion is how it's like. And if the slope is positive, it is the same direction. However, upwards, left to right, and then you've learned perfection. I really hope you learned a lot about this math section. Now spread your teachings and start a math infection.
Yeah, it's called linear equations.
Linear equations, linear equations.
Linear equations. Math till I die, 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 math.